Today we'll be demonstrating how to just make a schedule change on a work order that you have already sold to a subcontractor. To do so, we're going to navigate first into work orders. From there, we'll want to go to our calendar view by clicking the calendar icon here. We're going to pick a sold job indicated by the purple line. You'll see the little submenu here has popped up, prompting us to be able to make a schedule change. This is allowing me to propose a schedule change with my subcontractor. Because the work order represents a contract between yourself and the subcontractor, you can't unilaterally change a scheduled job date without the subcontractor approving it. So we're going to click Schedule Change, and we're going to edit the dates for our job. Has to be a date in the future. We're going to click Confirm. And then if we click on this job again, we'll see now that it is pending approval of the schedule change with our subcontractor. On the subcontractor end, they will receive a notification that your team has proposed a schedule change on the job, and they will be able to either approve or deny the proposed schedule change and message with your team about the details.